Hello Genius Brains, how are you all? I hope you are doing good and ready to start a new chapter. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आपकी बुक Focus English Grammar by Coral Publishers Class 7th. Today we are going to do chapter 11, that is prepositions. A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to some other word in the same sentence. preposition क्या होता है? वो वर्ड होता है जो कि या तो नाउन से पहले या प्रोनाउन से पहले लगाया जाता है और क्या दिखाता है? वो एक रिलेशन दिखाता है किसी और वर्ड के साथ उसी सेंटेंस में. फाइन. रीड द सेंटेंसेस गिवन बिलो. The children are in the park. Somebody is standing at the gate. His pockets are full of money. The playground is beside the school lawn. The words printed in red are prepositions. अब ये जो red में printed हैं words ये हैं prepositions. Prepositions of place often indicate the position of something with respect to something else or give us information about the place where it is kept. जो prepositions of place होते हैं वो क्या indicate करते हैं? किसी चीज़ की position को indicate करते हैं या information देते हैं उस जगह के बारे में जहाँ की वो रखी है. Look at the following pictures and read the sentences given alongside. अब यहाँ कुछ pictures बनी हैं और कुछ sentences लिखे हैं. आइए पढ़ते हैं. The boy is at the door. At, a point in space. एक जगह बताई गई है, एक पॉइंट बताया गया है, एक स्पेस जगह का एक पॉइंट बताया गया है. कहाँ है? At the door. See, the boy is at the door. The man is in the car. कहाँ है? कार के अंदर, inside. The book is on the table, touching the surface. टेबल के ऊपर है. ओके, जगह बता रहा है. The ball is under the table. डायरेक्ट. कहाँ है? टेबल के नीचे है. There is a dog running behind a boy at the back of. जगह बताई. Behind मतलब उस बच्चे के पीछे. My house is by the river, near or at the side of. By the river means river के पास में है या साइड में है. फाइन. द टेबल इज नियर द विंडो. क्लोज टू. नियर मतलब पास में. यहाँ पे देखिए पॉइंट आउट किया है एक पर्टिकुलर जगह को. कहाँ? विंडो के पास में. द हाउस इज बिटवीन द ट्रीज. घर कहाँ है? Between the trees. There are trees on either side of the house. मतलब घर के दोनों तरफ पेड़ हैं, उसके बीच में है घर. The magician was brought before the audience. Brought means in front of. Audience के सामने लाया गया magician. The tree is in front of the house in the position directly before. Position direct बताया गया है कि कहाँ है? पेड़ के सामने. In front of. The aeroplane is flying above the clouds. Aeroplane कहाँ fly कर रहा है? Higher than the clouds. मतलब clouds के ऊपर. The sun sank below the horizon. Lower than. Fine? नीचे. See, below the horizon. All the above prepositions are prepositions of place because they help to answer the question where. ये कौन से क्वेश्चन को आंसर करता है? कहाँ. कहाँ रखी है बुक? ऑन द टेबल. कहाँ है सन? सन कहाँ सेट हो रहा है? बिलो द होराइजन. एरोप्लेन कहाँ फ्लाई कर रहा है? अबव द क्लाउड्स. सो द क्वेश्चन वेयर इज बीन आंसर्ड हियर. नाउ द एक्सरसाइजेस चिल्ड्रन. Fill in the blanks choosing correct prepositions from the options given in brackets. A wall clock was hanging dash the photo frame over या above. अब इनमें से जो correct है वो हम यहाँ fill करेंगे. A wall clock was hanging dash the photo frame over above. So the wall clock was hanging above the photo frame. Photo frame के ऊपर. The dog is dash the box above or behind. Behind the box. Box के पीछे. The vase is dash the table on at on the table. Table के ऊपर. The cat is dash the table in under the table. Table के नीचे. We sat dash the campfire on around. Campfire के चारों तरफ around. The lamp is dash the table over on. The lamp is on the table. The boy is dash the bus stop in at the bus stop. He found a greeting card dash old letters among between old letters. Old letters के पुराने letters के बीच में उसे एक greeting card मिला. Use the appropriate prepositions from the brackets to fill in the blanks. Again, we have to write down the correct preposition here. They are very proud dash their success of about. They are very proud of their success. Someone is dash the door at on at the door. She comes dash a noble family of from a noble family. I differ dash you on this point from or with. I differ with you on this point. This edition is very different dash the earlier one to from the earlier one. He is not dash home just now in at. He is not at home just now. The train is dash time in on time. We are sorry dash your mother's illness about for. We are sorry about your mother's illness. She parted dash her children in tears with or from. She parted from her children in tears. He hates of parts dash his money from or with. He hates of parts dash his money from with his money. Fill in the blanks with from, for, since, at, in, till, for और in. ये prepositions दिए हुए हैं, इनसे हमें ये blanks fill करने हैं. He lived in this house for 10 years since 2001. The match was played from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. She worked hard dash the break of day but could not complete her assignment. She worked hard from the break of day but could not complete her assignment. The program had started dash 6 p.m. at 6 p.m. and got over late at night. The building was, The building will be constructed dash 2 years in 2 years. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. Again, prepositions have to be filled. Hard work is the key to success. Rita's work is worthy of praise. Rita's work is worthy to praise. I am addicted dash Xbox games. I am addicted to Xbox games. Grandpa carried a bag dash the stairs, up the stairs. Cut the apple dash pieces. Cut the apple into pieces. Okay children, अब इतने सारे prepositions हमने पढ़ लिए हैं. You have understood the prepositions nicely. So fill these blanks yourself. Thanks for watching this video. and children, I hope the prepositions are very clear to you. तो चलिए फिर मिलते हैं एक नए लेसन के साथ, एक नए चैप्टर को पढ़ेंगे. Till then, keep learning and stay blessed. Bye.